In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix any high ping issues that you're getting in Fortnite. So it's important to get as low ping as possible when playing Fortnite, as this is going to help with performance and help you win those all-important games. So the very first thing you need to do is just head over to the desktop on your computer and then come over to the start menu and search for CMD, and then you need to right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. So in this window here, we're just going to type in a few commands. The first one you need to type in is ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit enter. Then type in ipconfig /register DNS and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig /release and hit enter. Then type ipconfig /renew and hit enter. And finally, you need to type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Now, I'll also leave these commands in the video description so you guys can copy and paste them. And once you've run all of these commands, you can close out of this window, restart your computer, and then you can try launching back up Fortnite to see if that's resolved the ping issue. If you're still getting high ping, what you'll need to do instead is come back over to the start menu, search for control panel, and then click on the control panel window. In the top right hand side, make sure view by is set to large icons, and then select network and sharing center. From the left-hand side, click on Change Adapter Settings, and then just locate your network connection, and you need to right-click on your Wi-Fi, come over to Properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4 from this list and click Properties. At the bottom, where it says Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically, we're going to change this to use the following DNS server addresses. Now, there's typically two different DNS servers that we can connect to, either Cloudflare's or Google's, so you'll need to test both of these to find out which one has a lower ping for you, as it's going to be different for everyone. So the first one you want to type in here is 8888 and 8844, and then what you can do is just press OK to save these changes, close out of here and try launching up Fortnite and checking if that has lowered your ping. If you're still getting high ping, what you need to do is change these preferred DNS server addresses to 1111 and 1001, and then once again press OK to save the changes, launch up Fortnite and check to see if that's lowered your ping. If neither of these lowered your ping or it made it worse, then you'd need to come back into this window and just select Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically and then press OK. Now, the next thing you can do to fix high ping issues is to come back over to the start menu, search for Task Manager, and then click on the Task Manager window. So what you want to do here is close down any background applications that could be taking up your network resources. So anything inside of here that is taking up a lot of resources, all you simply need to do is right-click on the application and select End Task. Just of course, make sure to only close down applications that you're sure what they are. You don't want to close down any important processes. Another thing you'll need to do is head over to the start menu and search for settings, click on the settings window, and from the left hand side select network and internet, click on VPN and make sure you're disconnected from any VPNs. So you can see at the moment I'm disconnected up here, but I do have these two options turned on, so we're also going to disable both of these just to ensure that we're not accidentally connecting to any VPN networks. So once you've done that, the last thing we're going to do is head over to the Fortnite application. Once you're in Fortnite, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, come over to the settings icon, and then head over to the game tab at the top. Now, underneath the language and region, you'll see matchmaking region. You want to make sure you're connected to the fastest region. Now, the best one usually is just to set this to auto, or alternatively, you can select a region from the list that's fastest for you. Then scroll all the way down this page until you find the replay section, and you just want to turn replays off. This is also going to help improve performance. And then press apply to save these changes. And once again, you can try heading into a Fortnite game, and that should have now resolved any ping issues. If this video did help you in lowering your ping, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.